So welcome to this part, guys. This is part 3 of our styling. Guys, on part 3 of our styling, we are going to do interlocks. Remember, we had other chapters. You can revisit the channel, guys, to have a look on what we did there before, part 1 and part 2. So welcome, guys. Like, more, comment and share to your friends. So guys, let's quickly do the interlocks. Remember, guys, you need to pick all the strands from the roots. You can twist them a little bit and attach them using your crochet the way we were doing there before. If there are some loose strands which appears to be loose, then guys, go ahead and do your interlocks that way. What method am I doing, guys? Remember, this is like a class. I elaborated on what I'm doing on my previous tutorial, so I understand that now you can quickly catch up with what I'm trying to achieve. You see, guys, I'm doing some interlocks. And when you are doing interlocks, there are so many ways that you can use to attain your objective. And on my case, guys, I'm doing a 3-point turn. I'm doing a 3-point turn. So this is how you do the interlocks, guys. Just a quick reminder, remember on our part 1, as we were doing the parting on the scalp, we were using instant crochet tool, and we were leaving behind a protective growth. This now is the part which acts as shock absorber in order to relieve any kind of tension that might have been done on the scalp. So that way, guys, just do your interlocks and remain loose where need to be. So we are doing a 3-point turn. Pick your crochet, insert it, pick your lock strand. That's our first point, our second point, and our third point. Since we were doing this before, I understand that now, guys, you are catching up very well. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel, like my work, comment, and share to your friends. So my advice to you guys is that you just need to adopt the interlocking method, since it does not cause so much harm on the scalp surface, unlike the instant method, whereby if you have not mastered the instant process, you might end up, guys, plucking out some hair strands from the scalp, and the process might not be enjoyable at all because it involves a lot of pain on the scalp. So you can adopt this method of interlocking. So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, like my work, comment positively, and share to your friends. You can as well, guys, join membership as a way of supporting the channel. Remember, guys, that we haven't done other chapters as pertains to this tutorial. We had part 1 of this tutorial, we had part 2 of this tutorial, and now, guys, this is part 3 of same tutorial. So you can revisit the channel, have a look to the rest of the chapters. Have a look my neat work and my achievement so far. Let's do the finishing part all together. Remember guys, we are doing interlocks, and this is the way to go about it. Just pick your crochet and do a 3-point turn. You can as well guys do a 2-point turn, and you can as well adopt a 4-point turn, but I consider this process more precise than the others, so you can choose to adopt my way of interlocking. Guys, kindly consider subscribing, like my work, comment and share to your friends. You can as well guys support the channel by hitting the join button. That way guys, that's how we do the interlocks. We have just given other tutorials on how to do the interlocks, and guys, this is a nice way of maintaining the lock stones without so much tension, and it's a nice process that can be adopted by our beginners. Whenever you find some loose hair strands, you can pick your crochet and reaffirm them, the main lock strand, that way. Always, whenever you are doing your locks maintenance and you happen to come across some errors, rectify such errors and move on. So we are trying to finish our work. So guys, if you have locks which needs to be restored, you can make a booking. I will definitely restore them and work on them neatly and restore confidence. So guys, work with us, work with confidence. So this is our finishing part. Guys, I hope my tutorial was very informative as well as being educative. So consider sharing to your friends. Alright guys, now we are through. Let's apply the hot oil spray. Alright, this is our finishing part. Guys, you can have a look. Our client, at least our client now can afford a smile. Yeah, it was very much transformative. So that's how the whole style looks like. Guys, remember that the hair strands were much damaged, and we managed to restore some, and we also managed to cut off in order to remain with this bob look. It's so amazing guys, it's lovely. You can have a look guys, this is amazing, very transformative. Alright guys, you can have some few remarks from our model.
Honestly, I feel like a new person. I never thought my dreads would look this good ever in my whole life. Guys, please subscribe, please join the channel because this is truly amazing. If you can go back to the first video, you can see how my dreads looked before this. It's very transformative, honestly. Thank you. If you want to look amazing like me, keep the bookings coming.
Right, thank you guys for staying locked on the channel. I hope the 3 sections, that is the part 1, part 2 and part 3, were so much informative. Guys, I promise to bring more tutorials of such. So keep subscribing to my work, like my work guys, comment and share to your friends. Guys, stay locked and join membership.